Hello, it's Dr. YouTube here, where I upload educational medical videos for nursing, medical, and allied healthcare professional students. In this episode, I will talk about, hopefully within 5 minutes, all about exocrine gland, secretions, and also cell types. First of all, the exocrine glands, they there are multiple methods of how they secrete substances. So a few of them include apocrine. Apocrine is sort of the apical areas, um, and it butts off the top bit of the cell. Holocrine is a rupture of the whole cell, and eccrine is exocytosis. How I remember this is apocrine. Apical, hollow is like a rupture, eccrine, exocytosis. The apocrine method is found in the mammary gland, where it secretes milk. Holocrine, in other words, rupture of the whole cell, is found in the sebacious gland to secrete sebum. In terms of the actual secretions of the exocrine glands, well, it basically two types. Serous is basically proteinaceous, and also mucinous, and they are basically carbohydrates. They're also mixed as well, so serous and mucinous. Serous glands are tend to be secreted by chief cells, which are colored in red or pink. They can be found in the gastric area, and the parathyroid area, and the parotid gland. So the P's. Parathyroid, parotid, and peptic. Okay, so the P's are the serous proteinaceous glands. You've got your mucinous one, which is basically found sublingual, okay, in the mouth area, and the mixed one, which is found in the submandibular area. So let's just have a quick recap. Apocrine, apical, milk, holocrine, rupture in the sebum, and eccrine, exocytosis. Secretions, three main types. One is serous, so that's proteinaceous, usually by sort of chief red pink cells. And they are found in the P's, peptic, parathyroid, parotid. You've got your mucinous cells found in the sublingual gland, mainly carbohydrate type, and mixed one, which is submandibular. Now, how do they look under the microscope? Well, the mucinous is basically flattens the nuclei. So this is nuclei to the base. So if you imagine, this is the apical bit, that's the base. So this is all mucin. Mucin, as we can recall, basically carbohydrates. So there's all carbohydrates that flattens the nuclei. So that's mucinous. Now, how about serous? Serous, as we said before, the P's, remember, the peptic, parathyroid, and basically you have got pink, yeah, round central nuclei. Pink and round. Whereas the mucinous one, as we can see, flattened nuclei. I hope you've liked this video. So just a quick recap. The mucinous flattened nucleus, and remember they are the sublingual ones, and the you have your serous, which is the pink ones, the parathyroid ones, and also your mixed one, which is the submandibular. Hope you've liked this video. Give it a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. Take care and look after your ducks.